perfect na sana niya. And then sinira ko pa. Gosh, I'm so stupid. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit wala pa kaming upload sa YouTube and wala pang update sa vlogs. Okay, good night.
Night.
Love you.
Love you. SPF everyday, kahit nasa bahay lang, is very important. Don't forget your neck and just rub it gently. Okay, so it's Friday night and I'm all alone. But you know what I love doing when nobody's around? That's DIYing. So we'll get the package that we ordered from Shopee. So this is what I do at home at night when my husband is not around. More of the DIY stuff. The things that we are doing together, I do it alone when he's not here. So since it's the weekend, I have all the time to continue the condo reno. And I miss Jared because walang naasar sa akin while I'm doing all of this stuff. And wala din tumutulong. So try painting it cold. What the hell? It's so diluted. Well, I can paint it cold. Okay, let's try to drop this. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I did not mix. So stupid. I have to mix it first. Kasi all of yung mabibigat na particles, it went down. Kasi natira yung liquid. And then what I placed is the liquid part and not the one responsible for the color. Let's try. Oh, it's nice. Walang ka-skill sa pag-paint. But this is just me experimenting kung i-paint ko ba siya ng gold or not. Let me guys know if I should. Because it might take a while, but I'm planning to put this tomorrow, so I still have time. So let's just see.
Pauwi na tayo ng Zamboanga City. And ako lang mag-isa ngayon dahil wala si Jopel sa Manila. So solo ride tayo ngayon. Chill ride lang dahil Sunday. And we have all the time for today.
Much later.
Yay! We're finally in Zamboanga City! Alright guys, ngayon we're going to pick up our yucca plant from my friend Day and Bong. So pumunta na tayo sa bahay nila. Almost there. Okay, ready na! Thank you bro for the plant and Day and baby. Say hi to the vlog. Sige.
Natuloy na yung kamo.
Oo nga, thank you. I'm so excited.
Tanggalin mo na yung ano,
Oh.
sa big pot dapat.
Oo, para talaga dream come true. Thank you. So yan guys, pinagkasya natin ang three-headed yucca plant sa kotse. So ito ng ating indoor plant sa bahay. Let's go. Welcome home. Madumi na dito. Oh, may mga watermarks na. Kailangan nating linisin. Okay. It's time to get the plant. Our yucca dream plant is finally here. Kailan lang natin pinost sa story looking for this plant and now it's here sa bahay. Wala nga lang pot. So ito muna. Maghanap muna tayo mamaya. And kapag binibenta to sa Metro Manila or somewhere sa mga plant shops, ganito kataas, it would cost mga 5 to 8,000. So ito na yung sala with the yucca plant. Ang bagay lang yung sobra guys dito sa sala. Bagay siya sa high ceiling. And also as you can see guys, nagpalagay muna kami ng temporary curtains para dito sa sala dahil sobrang init na dito lalo na kapag hapon. Baka masisira yung couch natin if ever parati siyang exposed sa intense heat ng sun. And tsaka na yung high ceiling starting dito.
The very next evening.
Kakatawag lang ng dad ni Jobel sa akin. Sobrang sakit. Sobrang pangako talaga. Alam mo yun guys, sobrang perfect na sana niya. Sobrang rare nito and then sinira ko pa. Yung naging tanga ako, naging careless ako sobra. Wala na, hindi ko na maayos. Sobrang excited ko pa naman dahil nahanap ko to. Wala, hindi ko alam paano mag-move on. Gosh, I'm so stupid. So ayun na guys, papunta na tayo ng bahay. Nakatapos na ng 24 hours duty ko. Wala nang ligo-ligo, wala nang palit-palit ng damit. Diretso na tayo dun. So I'm ready to get my heart broken again. Ay. Oh my gosh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Ang sayang. Ang ganda pa naman nito. Guys, tingnan nyo. Dalawa na lang ang heads niya. Sira na. Ang ganda pa naman sa ng tatlo. Ba't mo pa kasi iniwan dito eh. Sobrang nakakahinayang ang pangyayari. Yung sakit na parang nasa relationship. Yung breakup na ang hirap mag-move on. Yung tipong ang tagal mong hinanap. At sobrang saya nung napasayo na. Yung kaya mong ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Ang sarap niyang alagaan dahil nakikita mo ang magandang kinabukasan. Pero dahil nalagay sa mapanganib na sitwasyon at napabayaan, sa isang iglap, masisira lang lahat ng pinaghirapan. At kahit anumang pilit, mahirap nang ibalik sa dati. Sobrang sakit dahil alam mong ilang taon itong binuo. But it only takes one careless mistake to ruin everything.
6 hours later.
So ayun na nga guys, it's been a long day and we need to take some rest. We know na 3 weeks na since the last time we uploaded the vlog. So if you're still here watching this video, thank you so much for showing your support. Medyo na-busy nga lang kami dalawa ni Jobel dahil LDR. But we promise that soon magwa-vlog na naman kami ng sabay. Nakakamiss nga talaga na may kasamang mag-vlog. Hoping by December, magkakasama na kami ulit ni Jobel. So before I go to sleep, I make sure to take my daily supplements. So paubos na nga yung isang bottle ko. Buti na lang meron pa akong isa dito. This supplement contains virgin coconut oil plus ginseng. It is an antioxidant packed with potential health benefits such as improving memory and thinking skills, decreases fatigue, and improves sexual desire and satisfaction. We'll put the link where you can avail this supplement in the description box below.
So it has been a very productive but a very tiring day. So just want to thank you guys for watching this video and for being with me. Siguro it would have been more fun if I have my husband with me, but the bed feels a bit bigger. Usually he would sleep here. But these are the sacrifices that we have to make for our goals and for our future.